If you're a newbie or a beginner in the world of tools, it's quite obvious you lack confidence in using power tools. This is because power tools require more skill and experience compared to the handheld models. That's why we have made this list of some power tools for beginners. This little tool from Milwaukee has got some true power for you. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless Rotary tool will be your on-the-go solution for various tasks. Though it's designed for professional tradespeople, beginners can use it for multi-purpose jobs. The M12 Rotary tool is optimized for power, precision, and productivity on the job site. Plus, it delivers unmatched performance with the fastest application speed and 30% higher RPM under load. The brushless motor, red link intelligence, and steel collet design ensures longer life and top-tier durability. Featuring a variable speed interface, it allows RPM adjustments from 27500 to 5000 across 12 speed settings, making it ideal for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing tasks. Weighing only 0.8 pounds and equipped with an ergonomic contour grip, this little tool offers superior comfort and control for every task. Every beginner will love the tool. This is the Dewalt DCF 601, a subcompact screwdriver designed to replace heavy screwdrivers. It has a sleek, lightweight design and a powerful motor that delivers 25% more power. The 12-volt battery of the screwdriver offers long-lasting runtime so that you won't run out of power during a job. With 15 clutch settings, you can choose the right speed for various fastening and drilling tasks. Plus, the 1/4 inch quick-release hex easily fits 1-inch bit tips, making bit changes quick and easy. Additionally, it features 3 integrated LEDs that provide bright illumination in dark or dimly lit areas. The Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber is a perfect tool for beginners looking to tackle tough cleaning jobs with ease. With 2 speed settings and a maximum of 300 revolutions per minute, it offers improved cleaning efficiency for various tasks. This scrubber is compatible with all Ryobi cleaning hex shank accessories, including soft, medium, hard, and abrasive bristles, as well as sponge and scour pads. Whether you're scrubbing surfaces gently or tackling more stubborn grime, this versatile tool makes it easy for anyone to achieve professional-level cleanliness. Its user-friendly design and powerful performance make it an ideal choice for those new to using power tools. Looking for an easy-to-use tool to tackle dust and debris? The Makita GSA-01 Cordless dust blower is perfect for beginners. This handheld blower features a convenient inline design for focused dust removal and a rubberized soft grip for comfort. Powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers up to 447 miles per hour and 39 CFM with 4 speed settings. With a 40-volt XGT 2.5 ampere-hour battery, you'll get up to 50 minutes of continuous runtime. On top of that, its compact length is ideal for tight spaces, and it includes 5 nozzles for various applications. Plus, the blower intake filter minimizes dust circulation, making your cleaning tasks even easier. Next up, we have the Dewalt Cordless Cable Stapler. It's a perfect tool for both beginners and professionals who often encounter residential wiring projects. It's designed to fasten Romex brand wires and cables efficiently, thanks to its proprietary cable guide that ensures precise staple placement. The lightweight, compact frame makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. A center-mounted LED light illuminates your work area, reducing shadows and improving visibility in low light conditions. The extended trigger allows for easy use in various orientations, enhancing control and comfort. All in all, it's a reliable and user-friendly tool for novice DIYers and professionals alike. This is the Ryobi high-pressure inflator. For beginners who need a reliable solution for inflating bicycle tires and sports balls, this will be a great solution. This compact tool features a digital pressure gauge for easy and precise readings, ensuring accurate inflation every time. An onboard LED work light illuminates your work area, making it convenient to use in any environment. The inflator includes onboard storage for accessories and a 6-inch hose, making it easy to take on the go. The LED indicator shows battery status, with green for charged and red for low battery, so you're never caught off guard. Mixing mud has never been easier. Even some pros often face great hassle while mixing mud properly. That's why we have the MudMixer. This tool revolutionizes how the job is done, making it the fastest and easiest multi-use mixer available. It delivers perfect results with its fully adjustable water input, suitable for concrete, mortar, or stucco mixes. The heavy-duty steel body ensures durability, standing up to tough conditions. With the MudMixer, you'll reduce labor costs and increase productivity, allowing more jobs to be completed efficiently. This tool is truly a game changer for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient mixer. And the best part of this tool is it can be used by both a newbie in the field and professionals indeed. Introducing the Milwaukee 8-inch Pruning Saw, a perfect choice for beginners tackling pruning tasks with ease and precision. Weighing under 5 pounds without the battery and featuring a compact cordless design, this saw offers exceptional control and maneuverability in tight spots. Powered by a robust power-state brushless motor, it effortlessly cuts through hardwoods faster than traditional gas saws of similar size. The tool's intelligence ensures stable communication between the saw and battery, optimizing performance and longevity. Beginners will appreciate the quick throttle response, achieving full power in less than a second, along with the variable speed trigger for precise cutting control. With handy features like a lanyard loop, easy access chain tensioner, automatic oiler, and metal bucking spikes, this saw is tailored for user-friendly operation and enhanced productivity in pruning tasks. Makita DMC 300 Cutoff Saw. This tool is ideal for automotive repair shops, plumbing trades, and air conditioning suppliers, offering ample power and compactness for small-scale tasks like cutting thin sheet metals and pipes. It features constant speed control to maintain consistent performance under load, enhancing precision and efficiency. With a built-in LED light that includes pre-glow and afterglow functions, the work area remains well lit for accurate cutting even in dim environments. An electric brake ensures maximum productivity and operator safety by swiftly halting the blade rotation upon trigger release. Engineered with extreme protection technology, this saw boasts improved resistance to dust and water, making it suitable for tough job site conditions. The soft grip handle enhances comfort during prolonged use, while a battery protection circuit safeguards against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. If you've ever doubted the durability of core drills, the Hilti DD 150U will change your mind. This versatile diamond drilling system is designed for both wet and dry applications, offering ease of use whether handheld or mounted on a rig. Capable of drilling standard small to medium diameter cores up to 160 millimeters, it ensures clean drilling with an efficient water management system. What sets it apart is its 3-speed motor, allowing you to adjust drilling speeds for varying surface thicknesses. With the Hilti DD 150U, all your core drilling challenges are a thing of the past, making it an essential tool for professionals and beginners who seek reliable performance and versatility on the job. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.